dkdynamics presents speed arrestor.
Hello friends, you're welcome to new session of dkdynamics. dkdynamics always search for new projects and fantastic projects which have the day-to-day life utility. As you know, the speed is an ever fascinating charm for youngsters, but sometimes this speed is a main cause of accidents. You are always seeing the school buses have speed limitation. The speed bus limited 40 km per hour. This is written on the back of the school bus, but the driver ignores the speed and they reaches up to the 60 km, 70 km or sometimes 80 km to reach the school as soon as possible. But this speed limit causes a dangerous accident. So we are develop and one device, it's a simple device which control the speed, which govern the speed, and this is called as speed arrestor. It is a very simple device I am developing for any vehicle, and they have some electronic part, and electronically we can just control the speed. So friends, I am demonstrate you how it works. Friends, this is a very simple project, easy to made by using some easily available components. So there is no need of programming or no need of microcontroller to program them. We are using simple components such as the IC. This is a very important IC to play an important role. This IC is used to convert the frequency of the rotating wheel into the voltage. So this is called frequency to voltage converter IC, which convert the frequency into the voltage. So when the change in the frequency, there's change in the output voltage, and these output voltages are fed into the decatur IC. And this decatur IC compare the voltage, and after comparing the voltage, it gives the output, synchronous outputs, 10 outputs each. So we are cascading the two ICs. So cascading means to combine the two ICs. One IC give the 10 output, the another IC also giving the 10 outputs. And in this way we are making the dial, and this dial electronically show the speed. When the speed reaches to the limit of the 55 km per hour, it gives the output, and this output goes to the transistor, and transistor operate the relay, and the relay is operate the solenoid valve. And this is a solenoid valve which is fit between the fuel line of the engine, and this is the input from the fuel line, and this is the output to the engine, goes to the engine. When the valve is set off, it stops the supply of the fuel to the engine. In this way the vehicle stops or slow down. We cannot apply the brake on the vehicle running at the speed of 80 km per hour. So it is better to break the fuel supply. So slow down the vehicle. Now I am demonstrate, just switch on, and this is the regulator, or we can say the speed dial. You see the dial, and this is behaving as a wheel. Okay? We increase the speed one by one slowly. So this is the speed going on. This is 15 km, and this 20 km, 25 km the vehicle is running, and this is 30 km, and this is 35 km, reaches to 40 km, and this is reaching to 45 km per hour, and now we reach the 50 km. The red LEDs glowing near the relay is indicate that the relay is on, and relay is on so that the solenoid is also on, and this solenoid break the supply, fuel supply to the vehicle. In this way the vehicle slow down. Again we are increasing the speed further, but the supply of the vehicle is off, so that the engine have no fuel at this time, and the engine becomes slow down due to the lack of fuel. When again the driver reaches to the normal speed, you seeing on the dial, the blue is the higher limit, the uncontrolled limit, and they reach to the red level, dangerous limit, and they again reaches to 55 and goes to controllable, so that the relay is set off. When the relay is off, the valve is open, and valve is open, so the fuel is going again into the vehicle, and the vehicle take the speed again. In this way we are just controlling. You see the dial, the beautiful dial, which show the speed electronically, and this is the point we decided to stop the fuel. You can choose any speed to stop the fuel. You can choose 60 km or 70 km is upper limit, and here I am choosing the 55 km is upper limit. So when it reaches the 55 km, it operates the relay, and relay operate the solenoid valve, and solenoid valve cut off the fuel supply to the engine. So this is all about, and here we're using one of the simple speed controller circuit which control the speed of the DC 5 volt motor, and this CD is showing the wheel. So in this way we are demonstrating how it works. It is easily fitted in any vehicle or any motorcycle or bike. In this way we are going to happy ride, limited ride and comfortable ride. I think you are appreciating this project because such type of projects are very important. I'm appreciating the new ideas and new technologies, so I welcome you and your friends. If you have any new ideas or the new innovative ideas, please share with dkdynamics, and dkdynamics help you to materialize your idea and provide all the assistance because we have the wonderful team of the expertise which develop the many projects. I'm coming back with a new project, so please motivate us by subscribe my channel, and also for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com, and also visit my Facebook shop which also provide the various components for you, and also share and subscribe to motivate us. Thank you.